Meaning of electrics.
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 Electrics. The term electrics refers to the branch of physics and engineering that deals with the study and application of electric current, circuits, and devices. It encompasses topics such as electronics, power generation, transmission, and distribution, as well as the design and implementation of electrical systems for various purposes. The result of the field of electrics has been the development of a wide range of electrical and electronic devices that have become integral parts of modern life, from smartphones and computers to power grids and renewable energy technologies.